Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about why you should buy R15 version 3. The main point is this bike is true for our money because this bike costs you around 1.40 lakh, and in this price segment none of the other bikes can beat Yamaha R15 version 3. And this bike is about 155cc, but it can beat any of the 200cc bike very easily because its performance is awesome. Second point is its powerful engine. Everything is changed due to of the VVA, which help the engine to breathe better at higher RPM, and it has ensured the performance. And the VVA system kicks in at the 7400 RPM mark and ensure that the torque is not that high. V3 has excellent handlings, and in V3 the tire size has been increased, but the wheelbase has been reduced from 1314 mm to 1325 mm. The rake has been sharpened by half a degree and tail has been also decreased by 10 mm. V3 is stable for both city commute and highway trip. R15 V3 full form ideal in its crisp matter without any grumbling. The power delivered at higher revs is also smooth, and you can also shift to fifth gear and still be doing 30 km per hour and the bike will not object it. Fifth point, which is premium features and race specs. The R15 V3 features an aerodynamic LED tail light and headlight which has a sharper design. The assist the bike with better overall airflow. Hazard lamp is also on this bikes, and overall the bike looks very awesome. The build quality is very much good. You should go for it, and it can easily beat any other bikes like KTM 200.